Today we're going to learn how to make a basic envelope letterfold. We're going to learn how to fold a useful origami envelope letterfold. Only takes a minute or so to make. Write a note and fold it into the basic origami letterfold. Fold the paper in half, unfold it like you see me doing here. You want to unfold the paper. You want to fold down the top right corner diagonally down to the left, aligning with the horizontal crease you made in the previous step. Just want to make sure it's nice and even. Nice and straight. And take the bottom left corner and fold it diagonally up and align it with the central horizontal crease. And take that bottom right edge and fold it to the left, aligning with the right edge of the lower triangular flap. Turn the paper around and do the same thing. Bring the top left edge to align with the left edge of the upper triangular flap. Rotate the paper sideways. Just like that. You want to rotate it sideways. You want to take the top right section and fold it down to the bottom, nice and even. And slot the section underneath the flap at the bottom. See right there, you got the flap, just slot it in underneath. And you want to take the left section, do the same thing, fold it up to the top, and then you want to slot that left flap into the little triangular flap. Right like this, just right in there, and then there you go. It's all finished. You've got the completed letterfold basic envelope. You can see here it only took me 3 to 4 minutes to do. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks.